Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's episode I will show you how you can delete unwanted elements out of a photograph using Photoshop. I will delete this sign and those people here because they are distracting on this photo. Choose the quick selection tool and select the sign. Holding the Alt key, you can deselect areas that are not supposed to be selected. After you selected an area, go to Edit and click on Fill. Make sure that in Contents you have chosen Content Aware. If you don't have Content Aware due to having a too old version of Photoshop, we will finish editing the sign and delete the people using a different tool. Click OK. After it processes, the element is gone. Depending on the size and how well you selected it, there might be some remaining touches needed like you see here. We will now choose the Stamp tool. Press the Alt key and select the area we want to copy. Then click on the area we want to paste. This method copies the area we chose and pastes it in the area that we click on. The area it copies from moves as we paste, so we don't get the same paste in each area. We can always choose a different area to copy from by holding the Alt key and clicking on the area we want to copy from. After some corrections, it looks done. You can always spend more time on an edit and make it look better if you're not yet satisfied. Now let's delete the people here. We will start with Content Aware to check how it handles this job, and then we will do the remaining corrections with the Stamp tool. As we see, the Content Aware tool is not perfect. Let's fix this mess with the Stamp tool. After zooming in some, let's choose an area to copy from and cover up the mess. As you see, not every area fits, so it's always best to copy from a similar looking area. Some places can be hard to correct, but it doesn't have to look like it does in real life. As long as it looks real, it don't have to be the perfect reconstruction of the real spot. Let's take this woman out as well, so she isn't a distraction. And there it is, the finished photo. You can make many other edits to make it look even better, but that's for another episode. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Leave a like and please remember to subscribe to my channel for more photo video related content. Take care.